Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. This reading is for Libra. This is for the next few days from 14th of March till the end of this month. This is going to be your love reading. We'll see what does your person think about you, what are your feelings towards them, their feelings towards you, and the outcome. Okay, Libra, this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. So for cross watchers, you can reverse the energies. So let's see guys, what do we have in store for my Libra. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. This will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so let's see guys, what's happening in your life. Let's see what's happening with my Libras. Let's see your current situation, Libra. Libra, some of you, you're literally seeking for justice. You feel that things are just not happening the way you expect them to be. Okay, look at this. We have the Justice in reverse. You're seeking clarity. You feel that things are not being fair towards you, or you feel that the universe is not being fair towards you. You are seeking clarity. Some of you, this could be court cases, legal cases. Okay, you're stuck with some legal cases, court cases, and you're fed up of all that drama. Let's see what's happening in your life, Libra. Lovers, oh my god, you are madly in love with somebody, Libras, madly, and you feel that this person didn't treat you right. You're seeking clarity, justice in your relationship, Libra. Yeah. King of Wands. Let's see, you really tried a lot. You really have put in a lot of efforts on this person, Libra. You're tired of putting in efforts towards this person. It's like, you feel that you've done so much and what have you got? Nothing. Okay, you feel that this person is not being fair towards you. All right. Some of you, you're focusing on your work. You are like, I have put in a lot of efforts on this person, but I don't want to anymore. Okay, so maybe you're trying to divert your mind. You're focusing on your money. Okay, maybe you feel that you are having some money problems and that is your priority right now. Ace of Wands. See, I don't see you trying towards this person anymore, Libra. Okay, maybe yes, secretly you do wish for a new start with this person, but I don't see you putting in efforts. Okay, you see that this relationship is not heading anywhere. All right, some of you, you literally see that this relationship is not heading anywhere. Let's see what does your person think towards you. Some of you, you could be turning down a job offer. I do see you turning down a job offer. Maybe you have got a new project, new contract, but you're just not happy. You're comfortable in being you and you're not ready to accept a new job offer. That could also be the thing. We have got the Fool here. We'll clarify the Fool. See guys, this person, they feel that you're dealing with somebody who feels, your person feels that this relationship is a burden. They are with you, but then they are not happy. I feel that this person is somebody who feels like giving up on this relationship. They're just not happy. If you are in a relationship with this person is just dragging it. Okay, but deep within, this person feels like giving up on this relationship and moving forward to a new life, to a fresh start. This relationship has been stuck for a long time. This person feels that, I feel that this person was not taking any action towards you, Libra. This person kept you stuck for a long time. Okay, this person may have kept you stuck for a very long time. Queen of Wands, King of Wands. Some of you, you're strongly dealing with an Aries, Leo, Saggy, because I have a lot of Wands energy. This is your card, Libra here. Gemini, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Aries, Leo, Saggy. So yeah, let's see, why do we have the Queen of Wands? Maybe you're dealing with somebody who is very sure of what they want, Libra. You're dealing with a Queen of Wands. This person is somebody who will not settle for anything less than what she wants. This person, okay, this is their feeling. Okay, they're just, I feel that this person is not happy with you, and this person is somebody who is looking for new love in their life. You see, the Queen of Wands is not facing this side. She's a Queen of Wands. She is focusing on new love. I don't know, she or he, this could be he, this could be she. You're dealing with a person who is focusing on someone else or looking for a new love, because they feel that the relationship with you has been stuck for a long time. This person is not happy with you. They feel that the compatibility is very low between both of you. Let's see, what does your person want from you? What do they want from you? The world. Some of you, I feel that this person feels like, I don't know why I sense this person feels like giving up on this relationship and is moving forward. Maybe in some cases this person has already left you and they may have moved forward towards this Ace of Cups. Okay, this person is heading forward. See, Ace of Wands is in reverse and Ace of Cups is, this could be somebody new. Okay, let's see, what are they feeling towards you? Devil. In some cases, this person feels that yes, they are chained with you. They feel that this relationship, they feel tied down to you. Okay, I don't see this person being free with you. This person feels that this relationship with you is a burden, and that is why we have the Justice in reverse here. You feel that this person has not been fair towards you. You want clarity. You feel that you have put in a lot of efforts towards this person, but this is not heading anywhere. Okay, for some of you, this person is with you but still wishing for a new love, wishing for somebody else in their life, because I don't see that compatibility between both of you. Let's see what will be, where is this relationship heading to? We'll see where is this heading to. For many of you, I feel that you're dealing with somebody. See, this is also in reverse. You're dealing with somebody who is with you but not happy with you. Okay, they feel chained to you. They feel that this relationship has no spark, or this relationship, I don't see this person happy with you, Libra. This person internally, okay, this is their deepest desire. Internally, this person wants a fresh start with a new person. We have the World and the Ace of Cups with the Fool. This person, maybe in some cases, this person may have dropped you to be with somebody else. Okay, for the others of you, this person internally, they do wish to end things with you, to be with somebody else. Alright, still let me see what will be the outcome in your reading. We'll see the outcome in your reading. The Strength. Oh my God, the Tower. I told you, some of you, I think you will have to be mentally, internally very, very, very strong. You will have to hold on to your strength. With the Tower in reverse, some of you, you'll get to know the truth. It is like you will go through this Tower moment. This is like you will get to know something about this person. Now you are going to get some clarity, Libra. Don't be shocked if this person comes and tells you that they are in love with somebody else. I do see, we have the Leo and Scorpio very strongly here in this reading. So some of you, don't be surprised if this person comes to you and tells you that they are in love with somebody else. So you may get to know something all of a sudden, or this could be that, yeah, this is like that Tower moment where you get to know something all of a sudden. So do expect something. Now this could be in the next 15 days, or for some of you, this could be in the next 1-2 months. So yeah, I think you're being asked to be strong, Libra, okay? You're being asked to be strong internally. Don't have high hopes from this person, because I don't see this person very serious towards you. Even if they are with you, they are just dragging it for the heck of it. They may leave you any moment. That's the energy. But at the same time, if you are in this relationship with this person, you can be, but don't have any high hopes from this person. I don't see them taking any action towards you, and one fine day this person comes to you and they tell you that they're not happy with you, and some of you, you may land up fighting with each other. I do see a major fight between both of you, Libra. Okay, Let's see an outcome, final outcome here. Four of Wands. Could be reconciliation. It's like you fight, then you come back together, then you fight, you come back together, but then the deepest desire of this person is that they are not happy with you. Now this is their current feeling. The feelings may change in the future, but for whoever this resonates, I don't know, I feel that this person is unsure, not very sure about you, Libra. Okay, so yes, there is a reconciliation. So maybe some of you, you're dealing with a married person, or you are the married one, this person is single. This could also be the thing. That is the issue. You know, guys, this card is trying to tell me that you both have to sit and talk. You know, you have to talk to this person, tell them whether do they want you or not. Tell them not to keep you in this energy, you know. Maybe this person is keeping you stuck. Okay, so you will have to clear things with this person, have some heart-to-heart conversations and seek some clarity in this relationship. Okay, love yourself first, and children, in some cases maybe children are an issue. This could be that you're dealing with somebody who is married, or you are the one who is married and this person is single. This could be anything. Your love life is being affected by children. For the others of you, you're being asked to focus on yourself. Okay, don't invest too much in this relationship, because this relationship is such that it may work or it may not work. Okay, so don't have high hopes from this person, but at the same time you can work towards this person. All right, you can. I think you need clarity, Libra. I don't know, if you're stuck with this person, you need to get some clarity. You cannot wait forever. I don't know why I see that this person is not serious towards you. This person is focusing somewhere else. Okay, this person is like, even if you are together, I don't see this person very happy. All right, so that was that, Libra. I really hope this helps and resonates. If it did, do like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. And that is it. You guys take care. Bye.